learning. So now today I came to India 3 years.
Wow, that
Yeah,
is
3 years ago
please.
we landed in. I'm landed in India February 10. 3 years ago. So just now more learning some language also, life also, some mentality also, some walking also. So now also tomorrow also after 1 week also I'm learning. So please help me. Thank you.
Oh, that was so sweet, and I only wish you learn and you grow, and so does your stardom grow to no limits. And actually, सब बात करते हैं, K-pop culture की इंडिया में, कितना influenced है Indians. But it is so great to have him here and represent our culture to the Korean people and promote it in Korea, and that too with such a beautiful song. It's not easy to dance on Shiv Tandav, to perform it, to sing it from his heart, and I think only someone with a beautiful soul can do that. So it's not ever one person who makes it happen. There is an entire team that goes behind. And yes, first person I think who deserves all the credit will be Rashna Puri. Please, Rashna, come here. It's actually her who's both of them twining in purple, but it's them together as a team who've made this into a reality, and I'm sure she's gonna achieve more heights with us. So yeah.
Firstly, I'm really thankful to everybody who is showing support. I think time is the most precious thing in this world. All of you have taken that time out. That's the best gift for us. It's taken a lot of time, especially in Bombay. 5 minutes bhi kisi ko dena is very precious. So thank you to every one of you for coming here and supporting us. I'm going to ask Aura to now sing the song, and we'll officially release the audio of this. This is not just a song, it's a prayer, and we really hope that it reaches out to everyone's heart. If there is any mistake, please forgive us.
Please sing the song and
बहुत अच्छा है.
बहुत अच्छा है.
Now singing song? Ah, good. With music or just singing?
With music.
God bless you.
Shiva Shiva.
I'm so very happy. 안녕.
Shiva Shiva. Tattabiga jala prabha babi tasle gale belam belam bidam bujang tunga malika damadda madda madda mannina duwada marvaya chukara chanda danda vamya noduna Shiva Shiva Dorendra Nandini Vilasa Bandhu Bandhuras Pratikanta Sanda Pi Pramoda Mana Manase Vakadasha Toreni Nirutta Turta Rabane Vachitti Kamare Mano Vinoda Mentu Vastuni Om Namah Shivaya Om Namah Shivaya Light so pure I close my eyes The word takes my soul face One breath I take until I breathe It's power you only part of me Shiva 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 In the clouds, you're the flame. In the come call your name. Every heart sings. You're the enemy there. Fighting my veins, lighting my eyes, my sweet blind eye. My friends are on the soul. Shiva, you're my sky. The last the chura, the nanjaya, split the bar. You beat the bunch of side, you come the money, limbo, now you come to come, you collect, ya viraja, mana, shaker, and a hot the body, somebody, she loves the पंकज प्रपंच कालिमा प्रभा वल्लम्बिकांच कांदिली रुचि प्रभा जगंधरा रक्षिदं पुरक्षिदं प्रवक्षिदं मखंड
This deserves a big applause, huh? इसने दिखा दिया कि इसका टैलेंट अपरंपार है और शिव जी की ब्लेसिंग्स इसके साथ हैं. Nobody can stop this boy because his humility and his innocence is what is going to win him. Win his entire destiny is going to be rewritten. It's going to make a big impact globally. Mark my words, this song has touched me and it's going to go a big global hit. God bless you. Tremendous, very fine, tremendous arrangement and programming. Brother,
Bye.
bhai, son, beta, my son is as old as you, I'm sure. You're going to rock it and this is it for you, okay? Are you ready to
Ready.
become the global star?
Ready?
Yeah? Okay.
Thank you so much for your kind words. Literally, गाना सुनने के बाद and the way Aura performed on the song, I think
Self-invested project, but then Abhay came on board and he said, don't worry, I really believe in you. You make this happen. And everybody on this project put their heart out. This is just pure heart. There's nothing else in this.
So now it's available on all platforms, ingested already?
Yes,
Is
yes.
it all across?
Yeah, it's going live now. As we speak, 4 o'clock is the time when it goes live. So yes, it's live now. And I'm really proud of Aura. As he said, he really worked hard on this for 1 year. Just learning Sanskrit wasn't easy. Not just he learned Sanskrit, he learned Tandav dance steps from mudras to everything. We really put all our heart out in this and we really are very thankful that all of you are here to support us today. And I hope you will enjoy this song and listen to it more and make it part of your playlist so that it really reaches out.
Who's releasing it globally? Under what label?
There's no label, we are releasing it on our own.
His personal YouTube channel.
I think somebody should tell us about that also. How, YouTube channel is fine. Who's distributing all
So
across?
it's a Korean distributor
All across now?
all across. It's available across.
It's going to be a big hit, remember. You are going to be the global impact is going to happen with this. The Indianness and the Korean balance which you are using, this is going to be huge. Huge. Great programming, great arrangement, great singing, and a great video which is coming.
yes.
No doubt.
Please, I think you should take the mic.
मैं कहना चाहती थी कि भजन क्लबिंग एज यू all know भजन क्लबिंग is right now
Yes.
Bhajan clubbing is, you know, they're merging the spiritual Indian spiritual songs with the beats, and you have released this at the right time. Yeah, so very big hand for him. Wishing you all the best. It's really good.
So thank you to the entire team for making this project a reality. It was a dream that we all had from last 1 year, and yeah, it's here in front of you all, and I'm so thankful to everybody here. So I think now is the time when we need Tabu sir to please here. He has been so kind to be the chief guest today, so we would like to honor him
I
for
think
giving
it's
his
a
time.
reverse. I think we should all honor Aura rather than honoring me. Please, let me honor him. What are you saying? I want to honor Aura for doing such a fantastic track. Aura, come here, beta. I want to call you my son now. Okay? God bless you.
बढ़िया
Okay, thank you. No, one, I'll only take the blessing box. It's जितनी बार मैंने इसको हाथ कर लिया है कुछ बोला इतने बार क्यों हाथ कर रहे हो भाई?
Thank you so much.
Thank you. I want to say something.
नहीं पीछे ना
Just for
स्नेक
the world to know, in the world of music now, all artists, everybody, I hope this message reaches out to all the youngsters and all the people who are making music, कि अब एक ऐसा दौर आ गया है जिसमें हर आर्टिस्ट को अपना एक खुद का यूनिवर्स क्रिएट करना होगा, उसको खुद अपने आप पर मेहनत करनी होगी, खुद अपना ब्रांड बनाना होगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पर कोई भी आपको सपोर्ट करने नहीं आएगा. It's going to be very rare. So you have to create your own journey, your own universe, and people, audience makes you or breaks you. The love of people is what will make you a superstar, and I'm sure that Aura will create magic, and so will all the youngsters who are ready to embark on the journey of music. Please create your own universe and succeed. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words. About staying for about 1 month, I was really feeling कि oh my god, ये घर पे सब या तो mental है या फिर they don't know how to have a conversation, how to have a normal conversation, and there enters Aura. And I can't even tell you, जब वो आया घर के अंदर मैं उसको देख के इतनी खुश थी because I think घर पे उसको कोई जानता नहीं था इतना, but मुझे आता because उस point of time पे I was working with सारेगामा very closely, and मैंने ये रचना को भी बात नहीं पता but उस time पे मैंने उसका गाना जिमी जिमी सुना था. I was like, oh, it's that Jimmy Jimmy boy, and then all of a sudden there was this Big Boss is like मनारा जानती है इसको, so I introduced him, and उसके बाद हम 4 घंटे वहाँ पे बातें करते थे और लोग मुझे ताना मारते थे कि तू इससे बात क्या करती है, and I was like, मैं जो भी बात करती हूँ मुझे बहुत मजा आता है उससे बात करके. And the clip which you just saw, मुझे भी नहीं पता था, मुझे यहीं आज रचना ने बताया. तो हम वहाँ पे बाहर बैठे थे और मैंने पूरे बालों में तेल वेल लगाया था, and Aura enters and we just made like a little group, and we were like, let's do Aura Om chanting. तो थोड़ा सा मुझे याद है, and वो तो ये तो बहुत ही simple है, तो वो तो क्या था, oh yeah, let's do it, and that's how our friendship was growing. And he is one of the few people जिसको मैं घर के बाहर आके भी, we are always in touch. Like Rachna and Aura, they are like family. Like वो मेरी मम्मा को मम्मा बोलता है, he's like कि मेरे को तेरे घर आना है, whatever it is, we are there for each other. And I think the most beautiful thing about him, as Sir also said, is simplicity. I think if you're simple now, the world connects with you. You might take some time to reach where you want to reach in life, but the world connects with you and people follow your journey, and Aura's journey is something like that. I'm so happy 3 साल और वो इतना amazing काम कर रहा है, इतने amazing outfits पहन रहा है, और मुझे Shiva part 2 in Korea, you take me, okay? We are going. Rachna, book the ticket, okay? And thank you, Rachna, for making me a part of your family. Oh, I need to. Okay. I like gifts. Okay, gifts de do. Thank you, Aura. Thank you for having me here. Thank you, Rachna.
Always thankful, and today they're here to support. Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच. मैं ओरा को काफ़ी टाइम से जानता हूँ. सबसे पहले हमने हमारी ब्रांड के कोरियन प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च किए थे, तब उसने बहुत सारा हेल्प किया था और हमने एडवर्टाइजमेंट किया था. लेकिन लास्ट 1 वीक हुआ रहेगा, हमने एक समूह लगन किया था. वहाँ पे 45 गर्ल्स की शादी हुई थी. ये वहाँ पे आया था और वहाँ पे जो इसने गाना गाया था, तो हमारे समाज में गुजराती लोग हैं, हम लोग वेडिंग बोले तो एकदम धमाल होती है, आपको पता रहेगा. लेकिन इसके आने से उधर शिव तांडव इसने गाया, तो कोई मान ही नहीं सकता. ये सब इसको सॉन्ग बोल रहे, गाना बोल रहे. मेरे हिसाब से सॉन्ग गाना नहीं है, तो शिव की स्तुति है, भजन है. कि शिव को जैसे अपन आराधना करते हैं, स्तुति है भाई, कोई गाना नहीं है. तो शिव की इतनी कृपा इसके ऊपर होने वाली है कि इसका गाना तो बहुत चलने वाला है। तो मैं मैडम को करता हूँ, बोलता हूँ इस सॉन्ग के लिए कुछ भी आपको इसके लिए सपोर्ट कुछ भी चाहिए हमारे जैसा, तो हम कभी के आपके लिए तैयार है। थैंक यू सो मच। और ये माला है रुद्राक्षी, मैंने ओरा के लिए नेपाल से मंगाई हुई है, ओरिजिनल माला है। और उसको एक शंख भी दिया है वो बजाने के लिए, शिव के लिए। थैंक यू।
प्रवीण जी आवरा को बिल्कुल इंडियन बनाएंगे अभी। थैंक यू सो मच।
It has been done. And when she got in touch with Aura, something magical happened. And she was so invested, and she saw something that I don't think anyone apart from her saw in him. And I think that was the honesty, integrity, and that purity of soul. कहते हैं ना, internally if you're a nice person, externally वो reflect होता है, and people with similar energies always connect and find a way to be there for each other. And that is why both of them are together. And seeing him in this song, sing this song, is like makes my heart full. I literally had goosebumps, and Aura, the video is stunning. It's par excellence. You're looking amazing. You're doing a fab job, and I love you. Thank you. Thank you.
I want to call now Ardharaneshwar, and that is the energy that she carries. And she has given us so many blessings. I'm really thankful कि उन्होंने time निकाला और यहाँ पे आए.
थैंक यू तो पहले दीदी को बोलना चाहती हूँ। इस समझ में हम लोग को नहीं बुलाता है, इतना बड़े बड़े लोग बैठे हैं इधर, दीदी नहीं बुलाता है सच्ची में। तो आपने मुझे इज्जत दिया, मुझे नहीं, मैं किन्नर समाज को, और इनको तो सबसे ज़्यादा थैंक देना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि भगवान को याद, शिव जी को याद करा दिया। मेरे साथ 3 बार, हाँ, पहले मैं, उसके बाद आप, उसके बाद सब। हर हर महादेव,
हर हर महादेव,
भगवान को ढूंढने का जरूरत नहीं है। जो एक गाना नहीं है दीदी, ये भजन है। जो भी भजन गाएगा भगवान उसके साथ है, आपके साथ हमेशा रहे। मैं दिल से, मेरा नहीं, भारत के जितना भी किन्नर समाज के किन्नर माँ है, अर्धनारीश्वर है, सबकी तरफ से आपको, आपका पूरा टीम को, आप जितना भी है हिंदुस्तानी, सबको ढेर सारे आशीर्वाद और प्यार। थैंक यू।
In so many ways. Thank you. I don't have words to say thank you, but Parul, please.
Parul said that.
Her opinion is very important, right? Parul, how did you like the video?
I think I love this song. I won't say a song, I'm sorry, we are so Bollywood driven that we call everything a song, but of course it's beautiful. Aura, your efforts, Rachna's efforts, everybody's efforts are visible on the screen. And I was just telling Rohit sometime back outside that I'm introducing Rachna as Aura's mother. So when you speak to Rachna, it's only she talks about Aura, and her efforts are apparent here today. Rachna, hats off to you. And Aura, your hard work is worth a salute. So keep going and keep giving us such beautiful more stutis. Thank you.
I want to call now. There are, so you know, for us this event is, like Shiva is all about equality. Everybody's same. It's not like there is somebody who's a celebrity and other person is not. Everybody here, for us, we are thankful. But thank you so much for taking time out and coming.
Har Har Mahadev, and I'm so sorry Aura, like I am a little late but I'm so excited because सब इतनी तारीफ कर रहे हैं, so I'm so excited now कि क्या है, please दोबारा से हमारे लिए.
Everybody who's little, I think play the teaser one more time.
Yes, and I think everybody would like to actually watch it one more time, like maybe 2 more times, 3 more times, yeah.
And can we have very, very gorgeous, very, very beautiful Shweta also here.
Har Har Mahadev. Hi, welcome to India. I just heard that you have come here back again, and it's always welcome from our end. And I'm so sorry I got a little late, but I'm really excited because I've heard so many beautiful things about this song from Abhay. Thank you so much for having me here, Abhay, and looking forward to see this beautiful song and groove on it for sure. Thank you so much.
So before we play the teaser one more time, there are some more people I want to call because they've been very supportive. We have Mumbai BTS Club here. So they've been doing a lot of work from last.
Do you want me to see in particular camera? All right. Firstly, Har Har Mahadev सभी को. I hope आप सभी अच्छे होंगे. And honestly, when I have to talk about the song, मैं बहुत बड़ी भक्त हूँ शिव जी की. And I'm very happy to know this amalgamation of Korea and the Indian culture that we have here in India, where कोरिया के एक आर्टिस्ट ने पहली बार यहाँ पे आके हमारे कल्चर में इमर्स किया है. So I'm very happy ये collaboration जो हुआ, and I'm very happy with the fact that my friend Abhay is a part of this beautiful song, and he made me come here and watch the teaser. And honestly, I just can't wait to see the whole song because it just gave me goosebumps while watching it. Because when I saw and the whole thing, the way it has shot, everything just made me feel so excited about it. So I just can't wait to see the entire song, and much, much, much love to Aura and the entire team of this song, Har Har Mahadev. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks. जोर से तो बोलो साले. हाँ जी. अच्छा, मैं शुरुआत करूंगी सबके साथ. हम सब एक साथ बोलेंगे हर हर महादेव. तो इट वॉज अमेजिंग. मुझे यकीन ही नहीं हो रहा कि एक कोरियन, हमारी दुनिया, हमारी पूरी जेनजी कोरियन पॉप के पॉप के पीछे पागल हो रही है, और हमारे पास साक्षात एक कोरियन है जो हमारे शिव जी के लिए, शिव भक्त निकले हमारे शिव जी के लिए. इतना प्यारा, इतना अमेजिंग, मतलब ब्रेथ टेकिंग सॉन्ग जो है बना दिया है. और तांडव, खुद डांस कर रहे हैं, खुद तांडव कर रहे हैं. तो ऐसा लगता है कि ये गलती से कोरिया में पैदा हो गया. ये पीछे से आत्मा कहीं हमारे बनारस की या ऋषिकेश की कहीं की आत्मा है ये. सो इट वाज टू गुड मैन, टू गुड लवली. तो प्लीज़ देखिए, प्लीज़ डू वॉच इट. सबको बहुत पसंद आएगा. मैं तो बहुत बड़ी शिव भक्त हूँ, तो मुझे तो यकीन बहुत ही अमेजिंग लगा है. तो आप लोगों को भी बहुत पसंद आएगा. एंड ऑल्सो आई वॉन्ट टू टॉक टू द प्रोड्यूसर. So
he's Abhay Parpani, and he's the owner of a lounge in Malad called Glass House. Glass House. And sometimes हम वहाँ जाते हैं, हम वहाँ chill करते हैं, और अचानक से I want to ask him now, मतलब ये कहाँ से thought आया अचानक से from being a lounge owner to producer, song producer, वो भी सीधा महादेव.
Like I said, you said we are very much inspired with Korean cultures, Indians, we Indians. So when I got the concept of this song from Rachna, that a Korean singer is gonna sing a song on Shiva in Hindi and Sanskrit, Sanskrit and English.
Yeah.
So I was like, wow, this is what got inspired me to be a producer of this song. Thank you, Aura, for this wonderful song.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
We go to Glass House.
Yeah, we go to Glass House. We go to Glass House. No party.
Actually, launch should be there only. The launch event should be there.
To go Glass House.
You have to go Glass House. Yes, she comes to Glass House. Whenever you come.
Tonight.
No.
Come. Tonight.
14 Glass House.
All right. Thank you so much. Har Har Mahadev.